Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how to cook Jamaican green banana, or should I say how to cook green banana, how to peel green banana, because a lot of people is afraid of peeling green banana and a lot of people have stigma surrounding green banana, and how to cook it to make it look really beautiful. And the first thing I'm going to show you over here is a pot that is on and bubbling right now, and I am going to go ahead and add a little salt to taste to that water, just like that. And then I am going to add a little vegetable oil or any oil that you have, probably just hanging around your kitchen. And the reason why I add oil to the pot is because it prevents my banana from getting black when it's cooking, from getting dark and have a really ugly color. So the oil will help with making the banana really beautiful. So while the pot is going and ready for the bananas, I'm just going to cook 4 because I don't need much. And next thing you can do if you're afraid of the stains from banana is to rub some of that same oil that you have hanging around the kitchen, or even fresh oil. You can rub some of that oil all over your hand just to make the stains from the banana come off your fingers and your hand easily. I'm just going to go ahead and take 1 banana. These bananas were in the fridge, so they might turn out different from what I want to show you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to core your banana, how to peel your banana, how to cook it, and to make it look really nice at the end. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, follow me here, and cut off the stem of the banana at the top, and go ahead and cut off a little piece at the bottom, just a little. You don't want to cut your banana. So there we go. Now I'm going to find the best line of the banana and core that section. So I'm going to use the point of my knife, and this is the line that I'm going to follow. You don't want to dig down in your banana. You want to follow the line like this, because you don't want to waste your banana to come off in the skin, and you don't want to dig down and cut your banana. So all I'm gonna do is that, and follow, and when I reach the end, I'm just gonna lift slightly. Now I turn the banana around because I'm right-handed. I'm gonna use just my big finger to take off this skin nicely. And what you want to do is push, not just lift it and let it break. You want to just push, 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 and push until you take off all the banana skin off of the banana easily, nicely. You use the side of your fingers, and you won't waste not even 1 piece of your banana. There you go, it's done. What I'm also going to do with this banana skin is that I'm going to drop it in my pot that is boiling over here. This pot I'm here making boiled dumpling. That's another tutorial. If you want to see how I make boiled dumplings, you just check the previous video and you'll also see this tutorial. But right now we're focusing on the banana. So I'm just gonna drop my banana skin in there. It also prevents the banana from becoming black and ugly. So if you look on your banana when you finish, you might have a little skin left on it. So you're just gonna take your knife and take that off, just like that. See, I don't even have anything much to take off. There goes your banana. But what you want to do is drop it in your water right away, because your banana starts to become discolored. So you want to drop that in the water and go ahead and finish peeling the rest of your bananas. So I'm just going to go ahead and do these really quick, the same method that I showed you just now. And voila, there we go. with our pot cooking with our bananas in it, and we just make that cook for about 10 or so minutes and our bananas will be ready. Okay guys, so 10 minutes has passed and let's check out our boiled bananas to see what they look like. You see how pretty these bananas are? They are really beautiful and they are ready to eat. And voila, there you have it guys, a quick and easy way of how to make perfectly cooked boiled bananas. And you can go ahead and have this with just about any protein or vegetables that you wish. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with Mel's Kitchen, and of course I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.